Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MAM Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Multi-Account Manager, or MAM, is a special integrated software tool and a designed account for use by fund managers. These fund managers, by using MAM accounts, can manage multiple accounts through a single account without having to create an investment fund. When trading on a MAM account, fund managers use leverage in a sophisticated manner where it is applied to specific sub-accounts and subsequently allows for improved optimization of risk management. MAM accounts serve as an ideal solution for professionals and are also suitable for investors who have a higher tolerance to risk than others. Traders should always consider finding themselves a fully regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best MAM Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online, fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kiev, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Live FX, current Swiss bank, and gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional trading education and resources with Dukascopy. At number 4 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which is supported on Android, iOS, and Windows operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delves into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Vantage FX. Coming in at number 3 is Blackbull Markets. Blackbull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. Blackbull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the Blackbull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. Blackbull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Blackbull Markets. At number 2 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates for various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best MAM Forex brokers, we have Think Markets. Think Markets is an online broker that was founded in 2010, with its head office located in Australia. Regulated by the FCA and the ASIC, Think Markets is a globally recognized, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, and commodities. Their accounts feature standard, Think zero, Islamic and joint accounts with tighter spreads, lower minimum account opening balance, 24-hour 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own ThinkTrader application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Think Markets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their very own economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with Think Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best MAM Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.